Welcome to the San Diego County Office of Education's CSET English Subtest 1 preparation course. Please watch this short video for suggestions for navigating this course, preparing for your test, and some other test-taking tips. In order to utilize this course best, start by reviewing the content domains. Just skim through so you have an idea of what will be tested. Take a practice test and gauge which content domains you've already mastered and which you need to review. Click the Resources and/or Glossary tabs to review content domains that you need to study, and our suggestion is to make flashcards or use another study tool to study. Preparing for the test day is important, and locating the testing center prior to driving there is an excellent idea. Make sure to get plenty of rest the night before and pack things that you might need, but know that the only thing allowed in the testing area will be your government-issued photo identification. The day of the test, you need to arrive 15 minutes before your appointment time so that they can check you in and you can read the testing procedures. As already mentioned, you will need to lock up all personal items and only take in your government-issued photo identification. There will be a test proctor who will monitor you, and this person will be allowed to give you breaks when you raise your hand. However, be sure to know if this will take away from your time allotted, as most likely it will. This test has features that can help you, and there's a timed tutorial which is not in your allotted time, and some of the features that you should learn to use include highlight, strike through, flag for review, and the navigation. We suggest you take the time to learn these tools. You will have 90 minutes to complete this exam, and there will be a time remaining clock in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Use that to pace yourself. When you get to difficult questions, it is best to go with your first answer, flag it for review, and come back to it at the end of the test if you have time. This test is comprised of 50 multiple-choice questions that are in regards to reading literature, informational text, and also about composition and rhetoric. You will be given resources such as a whiteboard marker or other resources to write notes, and headphones or earplugs. Take all of these even if you don't end up using them. Finally, the unofficial score for this subtest should be available right after you finish the test, and your official results will be emailed to you if you requested that option. Finally, if you need to retake this test, you may do so by registering online. Good luck.